Good afternoon, Kyle from Paper Restoration. You can see we are over in Hudson. Well, you can't see that we're in Hudson, but that is where we're at, out in the water. We're going to treat all these grass and weeds. I actually have a commercial company that's taking care of that today for us, since we can't spray chemicals or weeds. It's just not something falls into that legality spectrum, so it's not something we do. But yeah, they're going to come through, spray all this, kill everything, so when we come through, we can destroy all the grass within the pavers, all the weeds. It's a little overgrown. I think it pretty much got destroyed during the last hurricane we had. After that's all said and done, like I said, we'll come through, throw everything down, put all new sand, and of course seal. The whole front yard is pavers, just like the backyard is all pavers. It'll be a process, but of course, like always, we get it done, and we get it done right according to their contract. Give us a call, 352-282-2886. Find us on the web at paperrestorationfl.com. We're hitting it with the first treatment right now of the intense weed and grass killer. It's pretty strong back here. These weeds are, I even got a bumblebee there doing a little permeating. Watch it. Here's our after video out in Hudson, Florida. You can see all the grass, all the weeds are gone. On the pavers, that is. Everything has an amazing sparkle to it. Nice enhancement. We went ahead and cleaned the concrete as well. Give you a better idea of what it looks like. We did an amazing job here, if I say so myself. Took me a little longer of a video. I got a little bit of walking to do. So all cleaned, all the grass gone, everything. Gonna add enhancement between those. And here, wrap around. Looks awesome in there. Looks awesome everywhere. It's a decent sized job. Took us a little bit to do, but we got it done. Gonna walk up to the front. Oh, I always forget my face is in it. Here it is up front. Did clean the concrete. There's my truck. Here's the pavers up here. Got rid of all that paint splatter that was everywhere. Of course, we got the nice shine sheen. Put up our tape. Give us a call at 352-282-2886. 62886. Find us on the web at paverrestorationfl.com for all your brick paver sealing needs. Got a backup over there, no problem.